How to delete or remove removed content on Instagram. If your account got a removed content error, right, or if Instagram has removed some of your content and you'd like to restore that content, then what you can do is, first of all, if you want to permanently delete it, then you can simply go to your Instagram profile. If Instagram deleted it themselves and you also want to delete it, go to your profile page, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side and go to your activity. Under your activity, you'll find the option called recently deleted. So if there's any sort of post that was recently deleted by you or by Instagram themselves, you'll be able to find them here and you'll be able to permanently delete them. Or if you're trying to restore that particular content that was deleted by Instagram accidentally, you have to appeal it by scrolling down and selecting the option called account status. From account status, you can see removed content and messaging issues option. Just tap on it to remove any sort of violations. Hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.